Hello, in this roof slab construction, the economical sections I've used in the design of this roof slab consists of the roof spacing, which is 400 millimeters, and here is the roof spacing 400 millimeters. And then we have the roof beam itself. The roof beam, the width is 100 millimeter, and then we have the primary beam, which the depth is 450 and the width is 225 successfully in these sections that I've cut for this roof slab successfully. So the total depth of the roof slab is 200 millimeter, which I have the 50 millimeter concrete topping, and then the depth of the roof beams successfully is 150 millimeter. That makes it up to 200 millimeters successfully. Okay, and then the reinforcement, which consists of the compression and the tension reinforcement. Okay, I have that to be one at the top, okay, which is the compression reinforcement, and then the tension reinforcement I have two. Okay, so this is how this roof slab was designed successfully, and the constructions is now in place successfully. So you can see in the video the arrangement of the polystyrene material, which is the white material. Okay, the thickness is just 150. Assume the depth of the roof beams successfully. Okay, so this is how the slab is being designed in the real life situations. Okay.